Hey y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. No boxes. This is my farewell. Farewell till 2023. Going on break. Every year I try to make sure that I tear away and spend some time very intentionally with my family. And so I always just wait out based on what we're doing here. Do we feel like we have Christmas shopping under control? And talking with you guys, pretty much everyone has their list checkmarked or they know where they're going. So I feel like we had another successful shopping season. If you don't have a gift yet or you're still looking for that one person, go check out our holiday gift guide right here. It has a whole list of all these wonderful boxes. We have our website / blog site, I guess you would call it, that has a ton of recommendations there. We have our coupon code site. You can go reference all of those. Of course, the YouTube channel is still here. I'm just going on a little bit of a sabbatical. I'll return early January. I don't want to set a date on it. I want to kind of see how my family's doing. My kids don't actually go back to school until January 9th. And so I would love to come back on the 1st and do a big thing, but I also don't want to be working while they're still at home with us. I want to take advantage of these younger years, and that is advice you moms have given me over and over and over, is to optimize those younger years before they're 16 and driving and going and blowing. And so we plan on doing that. We have some fun things planned to go places. We have some fun things to stay here. I will be off and on Instagram. So if you want to follow me there on Instagram and see what we're up to. And then of course, everything's still gonna be live. You can reference anything here on YouTube and on my website, and on my Pinterest and on my LinkedIn and on my Twitter. All the places, we're on all the places. Crystal and I will still be around. So we're gonna take some time during the work week to work on the business. We have some processes we want to refine that makes it easier for you guys to find the coupon codes that you need, to find the content that you need, to find the gifts that you need, whether it's searching by category or by type or by price point. We want to regroup some playlists on YouTube. We want to regroup categories on our subscription box directory as well as on the website. So when we come back in 2023, we'll be like, okay, here's what we've done and here's where we're going, because we really do want to make it easy for you guys to find new boxes, and we want to spend this time finding new boxes. And so if you stumble across a box that you think needs to be on the pink envelope, send them my information. We have done the last year where I've reached out to them and it's been semi-successful, but I think they get reached out to all the time and they have to filter through so much spam that what I have noticed is when you guys go out and say, hey, I watched the pink envelope, go check her out, and you send them over, there is like the third party review. You influence them and help them trust and believe in the brand over here. So send them our way. We have a spot on our website that says submit a box that they can come in and submit a box. They can just shoot us an email. Hit us up on Instagram. We will be around because we want to find new boxes coming in to share with you guys, but we want to continue to share the ones that you guys have found that y'all are saying are amazing. I also will be hanging out still on the Ask the Pink Envelope private Facebook group. So if you have not joined that group, fabulous people, no drama. We do discuss the good, the bad, the ugly of subscription boxes. So not everything is hunky-dory, but everybody is wonderful and speaks in such kindness. So you can learn about a box in the best manner possible. And I want to issue you a little challenge. I'm in sweatpants. I'm in wantable sweatpants and a Beachly sweatshirt. I'm all in on my comfy. I am not going anywhere for the holidays. We are staying here, and I am truly wanting to spend my time focusing on others. And that looks different for every single one of us because we are all in different stages of our life. Whatever that looks like for you, whether it's just stepping out on your front porch and smiling as cars drive by, waving at neighbors as they walk by, or whether you adopt a family for Christmas who otherwise would not have Christmas gifts, or you serve in a soup kitchen at the homeless shelter, whatever it is you're going to do, I want to challenge you to do something. Take a little social media break. Give yourself a little bit of detox and cleanse. Then we can come back as a family in the new year and have our fun. But I think it's really good to break your habits, like things that feel good to you that you do on repeat. They don't need to go away, but to break the habit up a little bit, I feel like is such a healthy thing. Been reading about that. And that's part of the reason why I take these sabbaticals. I take them in July and I take them in December. And so I want to challenge you to explore that for yourself, not as a New Year's resolution, not as this big long-term thing, but as a temporary thing. Take the time that you would normally be on social media, pull back and use it to serve someone in whatever that manner looks like. Was reading some case studies that some people go through an entire day here in America and nobody smiles at them. They could go through a whole day and not see a smile. I don't know. I couldn't imagine. So maybe all you do is step into your front yard and smile. You just smile as people drive by so that they may not realize it, but they feel it. Their subconscious will know it. So you can explore those opportunities of where you can show love and gratitude to someone who is in your life. And I want to say thank you, you guys. 2022 was so good, so good. In my line of work, it's a tricky line of work. It's a hard line of work. There's a lot of criticism and just drama that comes with having a job that is solely based around social media. And it doesn't happen here. I mean, I'm talking to influencers who are struggling with stomach ulcers and hair loss and all of these things. And you guys have made this space beautiful. I do not struggle with any of those things. And I 100% attribute it to you guys making this space so fun. It's been cultivated into a space that is community as well as reviews. I mean, we do reviews and unboxings, but the community with you guys is beautiful. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you for getting us here. Thank you for getting the channel over 20,000 this year. 20,000 amazing people who hang out and love subscription boxes. How beautiful is that? I can't wait to see where 2023 goes. I just feel like it keeps getting better and better. So, from my family to yours,
Merry Christmas! Oh, look at Hero's face.